Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some quick and easy breakfast ideas that are perfect for those busy mornings. Listen, I get it. Mornings can be a complete madhouse. You're trying to get yourself ready, get the kids sorted, and somehow find time to make a decent breakfast. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl back into bed. But trust me, starting your day with a proper breakfast doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal. We've got 5 brilliant breakfast recipes that are quick, easy, and most importantly, delicious. Right, let's kick things off with overnight oats. This simple yet incredibly versatile breakfast option has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. These are an absolute game changer for busy mornings. Imagine waking up to a ready-made, nutritious meal that requires zero effort in the morning rush. The beauty of this is you're prepping it the night before, so it's ready to go when you are. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on the go. Grab yourself a jar or container, something with a lid. This is essential because it keeps everything fresh and allows the oats to soak up all the flavors overnight. Now, we're going to add in half a cup of rolled oats, the good stuff, none of that instant rubbish. Rolled oats are packed with fiber and nutrients, making them a perfect base. Next, pour in a cup of your milk of choice, almond, soy, regular, whatever you fancy. The type of milk you choose can add a different flavor and nutritional profile to your oats. Now for the fun part, the flavor. This is where you can get creative and tailor your oats to your taste preferences. A dollop of yogurt is a good place to start. Greek yogurt is my go-to. It adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein, which helps keep you full longer. Then we're talking a spoonful of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey, and maybe even a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract for extra flavor. And a handful of your favorite berries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, go wild. Berries not only add a burst of flavor, but are also rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Give it a good mix, pop the lid on, and leave it in the fridge overnight. This allows the oats to absorb the liquid and flavors, creating a delicious pudding-like consistency. In the morning, you've got yourself a delicious, nutritious breakfast ready to rock and roll. You can eat it cold straight from the fridge or warm it up if you prefer. Either way, it's a perfect start to your day. If you want to take it up a notch, consider adding some nuts or seeds in the morning. Almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds can add a delightful crunch and extra nutrients. Sliced banana is another fantastic addition. It adds natural sweetness and pairs wonderfully with the creamy oats and tangy yogurt. The best part? You can prepare multiple jars at once, making your mornings even more hassle-free. Just grab a jar and go. Overnight oats are also a hit with the whole family. Kids love the customizable flavors, and parents appreciate the convenience and health benefits. So, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent, overnight oats are a fantastic way to ensure you start your day on the right foot. The possibilities are endless. From tropical fruits like mango and pineapple to indulgent options like dark chocolate chips and coconut flakes, you can create a new flavor every day. And the convenience doesn't stop at home. Overnight oats are perfect for taking to work or school. Just pack a spoon and you're set for a nutritious breakfast or snack. So, give overnight oats a try. With minimal effort and maximum flavor, they truly are the breakfast of champions. Enjoy. Next up, we've got smoothie bowls, another fantastic option for a quick and healthy breakfast. These bowls are not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to start their day on a high note. These are basically smoothies, but with a bit more oomph. They are thicker, more substantial, and can be customized to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Chuck a handful of frozen fruit into your blender. Mangoes, berries, bananas, whatever you've got. The frozen fruit gives the smoothie bowl its thick, ice cream-like texture, which is both refreshing and satisfying. Now add a splash of juice or some yogurt for creaminess. The juice adds a bit of tanginess, while the yogurt makes it rich and smooth. You can use any type of yogurt you like, whether it's Greek, plain, or even a plant-based option. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add a handful of spinach or kale. These greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, and they blend seamlessly into the smoothie, adding a nutritional boost without altering the taste. You won't even taste it, I promise. The sweetness of the fruit completely masks the flavor of the greens, so you get all the benefits without any of the bitterness. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and creamy. The key is to blend it long enough to break down all the ingredients, creating a silky, luscious texture that's perfect for spooning. Now pour that beautiful concoction into a bowl, and then comes the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can really let your creativity shine and make your smoothie bowl not only delicious, but also visually appealing. This is where you can get really creative. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your toppings to your personal preferences or dietary needs. Sprinkle over some granola for crunch, which adds a delightful texture contrast to the smooth base. Granola also provides a good source of fibre and can be made at home or bought from the store. Scatter over some fresh fruit for sweetness, adding vibrant colours and extra nutrients. You can use anything from sliced bananas and strawberries to kiwi and blueberries, and maybe even drizzle on some honey or nut butter. Honey adds a natural sweetness, while nut butter provides healthy fats and a rich, creamy flavour. You can use almond butter, peanut butter, or even cashew butter. There you have it, a breakfast that's as delicious as it is Instagrammable. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also looks stunning, making it perfect for sharing on social media. Plus, it's packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. So next time you're looking for a quick, healthy and beautiful breakfast option, give smoothie bowls a try. You won't be disappointed. Now let's talk about avocado toast. This is about as simple as it gets, but don't let that fool you. It's bloody delicious. Toast a slice of your favorite bread. Sourdough, rye, whole wheat, whatever tickles your fancy. While it's still warm, grab yourself a ripe avocado, halve it, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh onto your toast. Now, mash it up with a fork, season it generously with salt and pepper, and give it a squeeze of lemon juice. And that's it. You can leave it as is, or you can jazz it up a bit. A sprinkle of chili flakes for a bit of a kick, some crumbled feta for a salty tang, or a fried egg for extra protein. Listen up, folks. This next one is for those of you who are always on the move. Breakfast burritos are a lifesaver when you're short on time. Grab yourself a tortilla, whole wheat, spinach, whatever you prefer. Now, in a pan, scramble up some eggs with a knob of butter. Season them generously with salt and pepper, of course. Once the eggs are cooked, layer them onto your tortilla. Now add a sprinkle of cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, whatever you've got in the fridge. Dice up some veggies, onions, peppers, mushrooms, anything goes, and toss them in. Now, roll that burrito up tight, and you've got yourself a portable breakfast that's perfect for eating on the go. This last one is a real winner when it comes to using up leftovers. If you find yourself with a fridge full of odds and ends, this recipe is your go-to solution. It's versatile, delicious, and incredibly easy to make. We're talking about a quick and easy frittata. This dish is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce food waste and make sure nothing goes to waste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure that your frittata cooks evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown top. Now grab a skillet and heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. Olive oil adds a lovely flavour and helps to prevent the veggies from sticking to the pan. Chop up any leftover veggies you have. Roasted vegetables, wilted greens, anything goes. This is where you can get creative. Use whatever you have on hand, whether it's bell peppers, onions, spinach, or even leftover potatoes. Sauté them in the skillet for a few minutes until they're heated through. This not only warms them up, but also helps to bring out their flavours. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent burning. While the veggies are cooking, whisk together some eggs with a splash of milk or cream. The milk or cream adds a bit of richness and helps to make the frittata light and fluffy. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and maybe a pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg adds a subtle warmth and depth of flavour that complements the eggs beautifully. Pour the egg mixture over the veggies in the skillet. Make sure the eggs are evenly distributed so that every bite is packed with flavour. Sprinkle over some cheese, cheddar, Gruyere, goat cheese, whatever you fancy. Cheese adds a wonderful creaminess and a bit of tang that takes the frittata to the next level. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes, or until the frittata is set and golden brown. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't overcook. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious leftover-saving frittata. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy breakfast ideas to kickstart your busy mornings. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. These recipes are so simple, even a donkey could make them. So, get in the kitchen, get creative, and start your day off right. And there you have it. 5 quick and easy breakfast ideas to kickstart your busy mornings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.